This Saturday, June 7th, I went to the 5th anniversary car show of Cars and Coffee Utah. And from the moment I arrived, the vibe was electric, engines roaring, and people fully living the car culture. There was everything from Lamborghinis and Ferraris that looked straight out of a video game to perfectly restored muscle cars and rare JDM models you don't see every day. The best part about these events is seeing everything up close. The meticulously detailed interiors, custom wheels, polished engines. Every car had a story. But it wasn't just about the cars. The vibe was super family friendly. Food trucks, music, great energy. Kids excited to take pictures and adults just as hyped. Swapping stories. Definitely an anniversary that celebrated not just the cars, but a whole community that loves them. Cars and Coffee Utah proves once again, it's not just about watching cars, it's about living the passion.